track and analyze. You need to know what work is being completed every day, and probably more importantly, what work is not getting completed every day. A CMMS, a computerized maintenance management system, a work and asset system, a work order system, whatever title you want to use for that, you need a system to track this. You need to know what your staff is doing, where their productivity is, where their challenge is. A good CMMS, a well-implemented CMMS system, you're going to know the resources you need. You're going to know those right people to work on those correct work orders at that correct time. And to better manage that, that's how you can start to move into a doing more with less. You're also going to be able to analyze the historical nature of that information. It's going to help you analyze when you truly need to hire, what skill sets you're going to need. Are they more HVAC related? Are they more facilities related? Are they more, you name it, related? So you can help you focus in the types of resources you may need to expand or possibly contract your operations around. And a well-implemented CMMS system is going to help you do that.